Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Tuesday, November 22nd, me and Steve took Stinky Dog, aka Elsa, out for a walk around 8 a.m. I slept in a little bit more than they did, so I actually met up with them around 8:15, and this is how excited she got when she saw me across the street from her, and this is how excited Luna gets when we play with her. I did forget to record my breakfast, but I definitely had breakfast before I biked and exercised, but I tried to do some Pilates as well as biking. I haven't biked in like 6 months, so it was very interesting to say the least. My butt is very sore today. I don't know if that's from teaching Pilates classes all day, or from trying the bike for 15 minutes, or from this Move with Nicole workout, or from dancing. Honestly, I am just sore in different points of my body every single day, which is another reason I'm so adamant about self-care. I just finished doing a Move with Nicole Pilates core workout after I did some biking. Also, hello. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. I'm gonna go have lunch with Steve, and then I have to shoot some content for a sponsored post I'm about to do. But yeah, today's really snowy. It's not as cold as it has been and not as snowy as it has been, but there's still lots of snow on the ground. Me and Steve went to Shoppers Drug Mart to get our flu shots, hence the little band-aid I had on my arm earlier, or still have my arm rather. Also, my neighbor gave me some hand-me-downs and they're so comfortable. I've been wearing these pants ever since he gave them to me, and the sweatpants as well, because they're so comfy and soft. But yeah, I'm gonna go have lunch with Steve, and then I'm teaching in the studio tonight, and before I teach, I'm going to do some ballet class in the studio, and I'll take you guys along with me. Steve's taking pictures of me like this. Literally, he's been taking my camera. I can't speak today. I really can't speak today. What have we been doing, honey?
We've been
doing some sponsored
recording
content.
Your sponsor content modeling.
Yes, like this. What are you two doing? I just finished doing a ballet / point class, and I finished going live on TikTok and filming some videos, and I thought I would answer some questions you guys asked me on my Instagram DMs. How old are you and when did you start ballet? I am 26 years old. I started ballet when I was 3 or 4 years old and started training professionally at ballet school at 14. Is it difficult? Is it hard to be a professional ballet dancer? It was very difficult, emotionally, physically, and financially. However, I don't regret it because it taught me a lot while I was a dancer, and it gave me a lot of good life experiences, and I made the best friends when I was a dancer. What is your favorite color to wear? Probably this kind of color, like a green, like a silver. I just feel like it really brings out my eyes, but it also looks good on my skin. It's not too light that washes me out, and it's not too dark that it's too contrast. Can you recommend any good universities for ballet performing arts? Universities. I know Ryerson's great in Toronto. I can only think of Toronto universities because that's where I live. Ryerson, probably George Brown. That's all I can think of off the top of my head. I was wondering if you could get a ballet bar for your home workouts. By the way, you have excellent balance. Thank you so much. I've thought about getting a ballet bar, but since I go to the studio so often, I don't really want to buy one to have at home because I go to the studio again so often. It's already there and it's free. So I don't know if I'd actually buy one. Maybe if it's on a Christmas list, I'll have one day. Do you have a lot of adult ballet students, as there seems to be a greater interest in adult classes? Absolutely. Half of my students are adults, which is awesome and super fun. And it's really inspiring to see adults especially pick up something, you know, a little later in life, because it's brand new and it's kind of a different challenge in its own versus when you learn it as a kid. That being said, I'm gonna go shower off because I'm stinky and gonna go make dinner and hang out with Steve. Again, we had our flu shots, but I don't really feel anything, so I'm gonna go have some water and chill.
You're gonna put that kind of talk in the blog. Seems like a good choice. It's always best to do life, I guess. Peace!
It is Wednesday, November the 23rd, and I finished teaching my morning classes. I had lunch with Steven, and now I'm just winding down before I have to teach some evening and afternoon classes. I only teach for about 2.5 hours today, from 3 o'clock until 5:30. But I figured I would hop on here and show you guys some of my self-care favorites that I've been loving during the winter time. I was going to answer some questions on Instagram, but most of them you guys have already heard me answer, like when did you start ballet, etc., because I have a lot of new followers on Instagram who don't know me quite as well. So I'm going to answer that on there and then dedicate YouTube to other things. For example, showing you guys my favorite self-care things that I've been loving. Number one being, it doesn't really apply to self-care, but it helps me in my self-care routine to not worry as much about where my hair is. These claw clips, I got these from H&M and they were only $9.99. I did break this one because I did a back roll during acro and I rolled right onto it, so that's totally my fault, but they are very sturdy. They're also very cute, and I have super long hair, so one of them does hold my hair, but I like to feel extra secure, so I use two. So I'll use the black one because I think it looks the nicest with every outfit. Also, I've been living in sweats. That's another thing. I've literally been living in sweats the last few days, and I use the second one up like this. I know it looks kind of ridiculous to have two, but it just feels a lot more secure, and I wear this for ballet class as well. The next thing, also going with hair, is one of these things. It just feels so relaxing. I love these things, just giving me a little scalp massage. Oh, I love them. Having one of these has really helped me in my evening wind down routine. I'll take a bubble bath and put this in the back of my head and use it, and it just feels so nice and it's so relaxing, and it's like a nice head scratch. Another thing that I've been loving is this candle from Sand and Fog. These candles retail for $20, and I got this one for $12.99 at HomeSense. I love HomeSense for that reason. I wish this was sponsored, by the way, but it's not. This is just my honest opinion and my honest reviews and recommendations. I wish you guys could smell this one through the screen, but most of our candles in our house are from this company, from Sand and Fog. This one is made with essential oils and has a sustainable wood lid and cotton wick. Sand and Fog was born of a vision of 3 women who believed candles should not only smell good, but look good too. We are living proof that the California dream is alive and well, hoping we can bring light and happiness into your life. I just love this company, and they make the best candles, and they retail for a pretty reasonable price at HomeSense. Another thing that I've been loving using is this You guys have seen me use this in my evening routines, the Blue Tansy Herbivore Resurfacing Clarity Mask. I just love the smell of this, the feel of this. I leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes while I'm taking a bubble bath. It's very light too. It doesn't feel really thick on your skin, but it almost feels cooling. And I love this one. This is definitely my favorite face mask as of right now. It feels so bougie too. It smells so good too. The packaging is beautiful. Oh. It smells so good. It just makes me feel very at peace and calm. And then after using my Herbivore Blue Tansy face mask, I always like to gua sha. Note, when you gua sha, make sure that you watch tutorials and you learn how to do it properly, because it can be abrasive on the skin if you don't do it properly, meaning you don't hold it at a certain angle. Also, when you watch the videos, you can specifically see different target points. I love using it for my TMJ on my jaw. I have really bad TMJ because I clench my jaw at night, so I feel like it just loosens the masseter muscles a little bit. So I love using the gua sha. Also have to use it when your skin is a little bit moist. For example, after you moisturize or after you treat it with serums, that's when I like to use it best, because then I moisturize and go to bed. So yeah, the gua sha. This one I got from, I want to say I got this from Amazon or Shein, something like that. It was only like $3 or $4. So it was very inexpensive. Another moisturizer I've been loving is the White Musk Body Cream by The Body Shop. And once again, it smells so good and it's so hydrating, especially during cold season where my hands and my legs and my elbows get super dry and chapped. I just love reapplying this one all over my body, all over my arms, my hands especially. The fragrance is pretty light and pretty natural as well. If you are somebody that suffers with eczema like I do and you're looking for something that doesn't have fragrance, there's this one company, I think Glysomed. I'll put a picture right here of it somewhere. It's a green container and that one is the best for dry hands. Something else that I really love using right now is this Deep Sleep pillow spray. I just spray it on my pillow. It has hints of lavender. Oh, it smells so delicious too. Everything just smells so delicious. Also, I got it all over the screen, but that's okay. Yeah, you basically just spray your pillow or bed cover directly before you go to sleep. Helps me fall asleep faster and more natural. And in terms of beauty, I am obsessed with Ilia. I found Ilia when I went to Sephora. I was trying to find more Bite Beauty products before they went out of business. And somebody pointed to Ilia because they have the same values as Bite Beauty, being vegan, cruelty-free, natural. And I just love the look that the makeup gives me. I'm using the concealer from Kosas, but I love mixing concealer with this blush stick. This is in the shade Ladybird and I'm wearing it right now. And then this lip balm from Ilia is in the shade Lady and it's a tinted hydrating lip balm, which I'm also wearing right now. I do have lip gloss on, however, on top. The shade is just so pretty. And those are all of the things that I wanted to show. Last thing, I guess, for self-care would be my Dose Juice subscription. And this specific one that I'm drinking today is Focus. It is high in vitamin A and C. There's no artificial crap, only natural ingredients in Dose Juice. And they're also running a Black Friday sale until the 29th of November. Check it out. I will put the link in my description down below, as well as the discount code, which is Jasmine McDonald 25, which not only gives you 25% off your entire order, but it also gives you 2 free shots, being the ginger turmeric shot that you guys know I love, and the apple cider vinegar shot. So go check them out. This juice in particular has pineapple, cucumber, sencha tea, pineapple juice, cucumber juice, apple juice, sencha tea, kale juice, spinach juice, lemon juice, mint juice, jalapeno juice, and chlorophyll for all you chlorophyll drinking matcha guru it girl ladies. Anyways, I'm gonna go get ready to teach this afternoon and I'm gonna set up my curriculum. Today's classes are all workout classes and stretching classes, which is why I can get away with literally wearing sweatpants the entire day. Like, I literally rolled out of bed and I was like, I could just wear what I wore to bed because it's basically sweats. I was like, no, I'll just change into some workout clothes. And then did I change into workout clothes? I changed into sweats, but that works today because, again, stretching classes are all about being comfy and staying warm. So yeah, I'm going to go get ready for my next class and I'll see you guys later. I actually might close out the vlog now because I won't be doing anything else interesting today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for watching and thanks for hanging out with me. I love reading all of your comments, especially the ones you guys have been leaving lately, because I've really been questioning what I should do on this channel, and it just gives me reassurance when you guys respond and comment your opinions. So lots of love. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.